to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. My name is Mary and thanks for tuning in. So in today's video I'll be showing you guys how I installed this beautiful unit from Aligrace hair, and at the end of this video I'll be giving you my final verdict and what my thoughts are on this particular unit. So if that sounds like something you'd be interested in, please don't go anywhere, keep on watching, and yeah, I'll see you at the end of the video.
Hey love, so yeah, I'm just going to be showing you guys the process on how I customize the unit. I'm just going to bleach it now, so I'm using the 40% volume developer and some purple bleach. So with this bleach I won't be needing it to I won't have to wash it with a purple shampoo. So you can see I'm just gradually, you know, spreading that all over the frontal like butter. I'm not too heavy-handed on this. You see, I'm just gradually doing it. I had to do it in real time for you guys, and at some point I had to fast forward it, but look at it again. I'm just spreading it gradually, because if you press it too much it will transfer through and it will ruin your lace. So yeah, this is me now. I'm going to be doing the bald cap method. So I just, you know, brought out my ears. I'm using the Got to Be blasting free spray to glue that cap to my head, and I'm just using the foundation shade that is a bit darker than my skin to just place all over the cap. So you can see I'm gradually cutting the cap now. And with a cutting, you have to be very gentle with it as well. You don't want to overcut it, and yeah, just try and follow your hairline as much as possible. And I'm just going over that with a foundation again. That's the unit. It's looking pretty. Sorry guys, I wasn't able to I lost the footage of when I was unboxing this unit. Like I was so upset, like you guys have no idea. But anyway, we move. So as you can see now, I'm just clipping my hair backwards. I want to cut off the excess lace from this unit, because if you don't do this, you can see what I'm doing, the hair will not lay flat, and you need this hair to lay flat, guys. You really do. So you can see I'm just cutting out around my ears. That's the excess lace, and I'm doing the same thing to the other side as well. You know, gradually. You have to be careful with this part, because you don't want to cut out your hair in the process. So now I'm about to glue the unit to my hair. So I'm just going to with the Ghost Bond glue, and I'm just rubbing that sparingly on the wig cap and my skin. So just right at the tip of the wig cap and my skin, and I'm just spreading that through, you know. And yeah guys, I must be very honest with you, like this is my first time of trying the bald cap method. I've seen so many videos and I was quite confident enough that I could do this. So we're both learning together, if you know what I mean. So anyway, yeah, I have done that. I left it to dry, and the only way you know how this dries is when it turns transparent. So I just glued my hair, and I'm now gradually cutting the lace off. This part, you can see I'm sectioning this lace into parts. The reason why I'm doing this, so I can carefully cut the lace. I did not want to ruin my frontal, so that's why I had to do this extra step. If you are confident enough, you might not need to, but I would advise you do this step. You see, now I can now go in precisely to cut. And you can see I'm cutting this in like a zigzag motion, because obviously your hairline is not just straight. It's like ziggy zaga. So yeah, I'm just doing that now gradually. And yeah. So now that is done, I'm going into my Kerakewa stick to just press down any flyaway, you know, that this unit had, so that you can have that sleek, you know, that sleek down unit. So I'm just going over. I saw that some parts were raising, so I'm just going back into that ghost bomb to just, you know, press that unit that's frontal into my skin. And yep, so I'm going in with my hot comb. Guys, using this hot comb, it burns me so many times, like you have no idea. The struggle is real, but I would advise you be careful with the hot comb. And yes, I'm just going into a satin scarf and just tying that out. After 15 minutes, I'm here again. And yep, the lace is laid. Come on, look at that melt. Look at me feeling all cool. Like but yeah, guys, I tried. You have to give it to me. I tried with this unit. I tried. So yeah, I'm just going back into my hot comb and I'm just pressing and just trying to sleek that. So I went with the side part because I kind of got tired with the middle part, guys. I won't even lie. So I wanted to do something different, new hair, new style. You know what I mean? Yep. And look at that grip. Like, that lace is not going nowhere. This gold bond is actually really good. You know, I heard a lot of reviews about it. That's why I got it. So, you know, I'm just trying to do the swoop. And you can see I'm just styling the hair to my desired style. I'm going over into my powder now to just kind of cover the lace so that everything is all married, and you cannot really tell the difference between my hair and my scalp. So yeah, and I'm just going over into a concealer to further define that part, as you can see. And yeah, styling it up to my desired preference. And the hair is looking all on point, all sleek down. Yes, honey, yes. And that's it. Ooh, girl. All right, darlings, bye, see you.
Hello diamonds, so this brings me to the end of this installation. The hair, so I'm gonna give my final verdict on this hair and what I think. Beautiful straight hair. It's called the Aligrace hair, and I got this hair in the 13x6 Brazilian straight lace frontal. And this hair was 250 density. For 250 density, I don't think it was that full. It came a bit scanty, which I wasn't so happy about. I like my hair really full and thick, but yeah, it is what it is. I got this hair in 24 inches, guys. So this is where 24 inches gets to, just here. I'm 5'10", so I'm pretty tall, so this is not the longest unit I can ever have, but it's quite long, it's decent. I mean, I can't complain either. I had to bleach the knots of the lace because it was a bit too thick. It took to bleach well, I must say. And yeah, and I washed and conditioned this hair because girl, with the coronavirus going on, I can't just put the wig on my head like that. So I had to wash it, I had to condition it. So I washed and conditioned this hair and I left it to air dry. I didn't blow dry it. Another thing about this hair that I did not like was the ends were a bit scanty. It wasn't thick. It was scanty, which was a con for me. There was quite a bit of flyaways, but I just used my hair care wax sticks to press that down. Were there snags? No snags to this hair. This hair is very silky, very smooth, very, like, you can even see the way I'm running my finger through it. Did this hair shed? Yes, there was quite a bit of shedding to this hair. There was quite a bit of shedding. Even now that I'm talking and I'm pulling it, there's shedding. This hair sheds and it sheds, and I'm a bit concerned because I mean, this is new hair, and if it's already shedding this much, I'm a bit concerned how will it look like in the next couple of months. Like I said, it took to bleach well. I bleached the knot, I customized it. This hair came pre-plucked, so I didn't have to go over to pluck it. It came with baby hairs. As for the packaging, it came in a small box. Inside the box came the hair guide. It came with a foam pop socket, which I really don't know why that was there. It was really pointless to me. A box containing hair, you should put things relating to hair that will be useful, maybe like band, you know, things like that, but they didn't have any of that, which was quite disappointing. It came protected, so the lace came protected in like a styler foam kind of thing, which was really good to protect to maintain the shape of the lace. Delivery, I got my package in 5 days, which is not bad at all. I mean, I live in the UK and I got this in 5 days, which I don't think it's bad in my opinion. Communication was good. There was no frustration along the way whatsoever. The price I got this unit for was £174, and they were doing sales as at that time, so I was able to, you know, benefit from the sales that was going on. I think without the sales it was like £190, but because of the sales I was lucky enough to get for £174. Is it the cheapest hair out there? No. Is it the best quality hair out there? Absolutely not. But if you're looking for something good on a budget, something okay, yes, I will recommend this hair. I'm still going to do like a 1 month review on this hair to see how it actually holds. So I'm not going to be able to give my final verdict on this hair yet. I'll be doing a 1 month review, and after that then I will let you guys know if this hair is worth your coins. I'm feeling the hair at the moment. It's silky, it's sleek, guys. Can you see the way that hair does bounce? It's like, it's just sleek. I don't know if you guys can see that bounce, but yeah, it's good hair for now until I'm able to do the final review. So yeah, would I recommend this hair? Yes. For now, I'll be giving this hair a solid 9/10, but that is subject to change until I do my 1 month review on this hair. But for now, the way it's looking, I'll give it a 9/10. The reason why I wouldn't give it a 10/10 is because I could still see some fallouts from the hair, and it was a bit thin. It's a bit thin at the end. The density, I don't think this is 250 density. Yeah, and that's just the only problem with this hair that I don't really like. But anything other than that is fantastic. When I do my 1 month review, I'll be able to give you a solid feedback on this hair. Anyway guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe if you haven't already. I'll see you in my next video. Love you. Bye guys.